Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account. At first, enroll the list of all apps and open the settings. Then find and select Accounts and Backup and click on Manage Accounts. Now select the account that you want to remove and click on Remove Account. Now provide your fingerprint or lock screen pattern to confirm the decision, and that's it. As you can see, this account is no longer connected with your phone. Then, once you want to add Google account for the first time, or just after removal you want to add another one, just go to Accounts and Backup again, select Manage Accounts, click on Add Account, and choose Google. Meanwhile, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, otherwise you will not be able to add your account. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. Then provide your password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, mark Next. Let me do it one more time. And that's it. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. If you do agree with everything, just tap on I agree. And that's it. That will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.